Are you trying to add some fun to your React web app with animated GIFs? It can be a bit tricky, especially when you're dealing with back-end data publishing. But don't worry, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to tackle how to seamlessly integrate animated GIFs into your React application. I totally get it. It can be super frustrating when you want to enhance your app's user experience, but you run into errors. You're not alone in this. Many developers face similar challenges when trying to add visual elements like GIFs. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user recently asked, "How do I add animated GIFs to my React single-page application?" They mentioned trying to import a GIF and display it in their render method, but they encountered an error in their terminal. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what could be causing this error? Often, it comes down to how the GIF is imported or how it's being rendered in the component. We'll break down the steps to ensure everything is set up correctly. And stick around. At the end of this video, I have a special tip that will help you avoid common pitfalls when working with GIFs in React. To begin, the user should ensure that they have the animated GIF imported correctly in their React component. They can do this by using a simple import statement at the top of their file. Next, the user needs to add the GIF to their render method. This is done by including an image tag with the source set to the imported logo. If the user encounters an error stating unknown character, it may be due to an incorrect file path or a missing file. The user should double-check that the GIF file is located in the specified directory. Additionally, the user should ensure that their development environment is set up to handle image files. This may involve checking the configuration of their build tool, such as Webpack. Finally, once everything is set up correctly, the user can run their application and see the animated GIF displayed while data is being published to the backend. Fun fact, the first animated GIF was created in 1987. It was a simple image of a plane flying across the screen. Look how far we've come with technology. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests importing the GIF directly from your file path. They recommend downloading the GIF and using a simple import statement to include it in your component. Let's check out another perspective from a different user. An alternative solution from another user suggests modifying the import path for your animated GIF. Instead of using the previous path, try importing it like this: import load from /assets_load.gif. Here's the special tip I promised. Always keep your assets organized in a clear directory structure. This will save you a lot of headaches when importing files in the future. And there you have it. You should now be able to add animated GIFs to your React application without any issues. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button for more tips and tricks. Happy coding!